Welcome. If you've ever accidentally archived an important email in Gmail and wished there was a way to double-check before it disappears, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you step by step through enabling the Confirm Before Archiving feature in Gmail's general settings, all from your phone. This quick adjustment will give you that extra layer of confidence every time you archive a message. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and look for the Gmail app. Tap on it to open. Once you're in your inbox, notice the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, or a little hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap that. A new menu will slide out from the left. Scroll all the way down until you spot the Settings option. Tap on Settings to view all your accounts and some extra options. Next, you'll see a list of the accounts added to your Gmail app. But what we're looking for today is below those. Find and tap on General Settings. This section controls preferences that affect all your Gmail accounts on this device. Now, scroll down the list until you reach the section called Action Confirmations. This area is designed to help prevent accidental actions like archiving important emails without meaning to. Find the box labeled Confirm Before Archiving. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. If the switch is currently off, tap it once to toggle it on. This will activate the confirmation prompt each time you try to archive a message. That's it. Now, the next time you go to archive an email, Gmail will ask you to confirm, helping you avoid any unintended actions. By making this simple change, you get peace of mind and more control over your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tips just like this one. Thanks for tuning in.